Good morning, my brother. Welcome to Autompack. Let me show you this packing machine. Okay, you see, this is soft bills. You see, this is Excel, tab, bucket, elevator, and this is multi-wheel. You see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 10-page multi-wheel later. And this is support platform. And this is print machine. You see, this is touch screen. Okay, this is auto. Next. Okay, this is language. You can change any other language as you like. You see? Let me show. This is bag format. Okay. If you want to change big format, it's like this. This is a vertical seal, and this is horizontal seal. You see, this is knife cutter. You see, this is hard seal. You see, okay. Let me show you how to wait for me. You see, this is SUS 304. Okay, this is a hopper. One hopper, about 10 hoppers. One hopper, you see. So this is for the sale. So this is product. You see, I can stand here, accept the weight about 1 kilograms. You see, this is full.
結束就講
嚇？
你講完就講啊，收場啦嘛。
This is full grader stainless steel. 304. You see? 1, 2, 3, 10 hoppers. Okay. Okay, let me show you one more packing machine. You see, here and there about 3.39 millimeters. Yeah. You see?